So we already did a little bit of type conversion. We converted string to int. We talked about how to convert string to double. Basically, we can take a result of an arithmetic operation and we convert it to a different data type. The result remains the same, and Java chooses the unifying type for the result. This is when Java auto boxes something, or if you have like a double plus an int, it's going to return a double. The unifying type is the broader, the more precise, the one with the most room and decimals decimal allowability. So 1.5 plus 1 is going to equal 2.5. It's not going to equal 2 with the lossy errors there. So what you'll see, for example, is if I'm doing a long plus an int, it's going to return a long. If I do a double plus a long, it's going to return a double. Effectively, it automatically converts non-conforming operands to the unifying type. And so it continues to go up the chain. Doubles are not converted from ints, ints do not convert doubles because you lose information. So Java tries to retain that information. Explicit typecasting allows us to force the value of one data type to be used in another. And basically, I'll just show this to you in code so you can see it. So I'm going to delete this here. I want you guys to be very direct. So I have a double value equals 5.34. Okay, that'll work. And then I can say int value equals, and we're going to just convert this to an int. We're going to say value. And what's going to happen here is it's going to print out. I'm going to print it out actually. It's going to take the double and it's going to take away the decimal values. Right, so I'm going to go and print int value. I'm going to run this program now. And it printed out 5. You can see, let me just clear this at the bottom. You can see it showed 5. Okay. If I put in 5.89, it's also going to print 5. Because all it does is delete what's behind the decimal. Alright, you can take an integer value and do similar things by making it a double or a long. This is type conversion. You type in the type in the parenthesis and you type in whatever value you're trying to convert. Realize you can't convert strings, which are reference classes, back to a primitive data type, but you can convert char to like an int because char has an int value. You don't need to perform a cast when assigning a value to a higher unifying type. So if I'm taking like if I'm sending like a long to a double, I don't need to perform a direct cast, although often I do anyway. So we're going to stop the recording here.